Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I prepare a project on ozone layer. I will give you an example to explain what is ozone layer. We use umbrella to protect ourselves from rain and sunlight. Now you suppose this point is on, this dot is turned, and the umbrella is ozone layer. If there is a hole in the umbrella, rain and sunlight falls on us. That's like ozone layer. Ozone layer is the shield in the sky that protects us from harmful sun rays. It protects us from harmful sun rays. If they reach Earth, they can cause skin cancer and eye disease. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, destroy the ozone layer and were used in refrigerators and air conditions. We will protect the ozone layer using eco-friendly products. Not wasting energy. Planting trees, and using awareness and spreading awareness. Thank you, brother.
I now welcome and invite the girls of Standard 4 to give more information on depletion of ozone layer.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Pathan Ilham. I am from Standard 4 from Jamia Afzal School. Today I am telling the importance of ozone layer. So let's start. Ozone layer is shield for our earth. It protects our earth from harmful UV rays of sun. It is very important for our earth. It protects our without ozone layer, harmful UV rays will directly come to the surface of the earth. UV rays can damage our plant, planet, human and animal. Jazakallah.
My name is Sabir from Jamia Afzal School. This is the sun, this is the earth, this is the ozone layer depletion, this is the ozone layer. This one is CFC molecules, this one is ozone molecules. Thank you.
We now have a special presentation prepared by the class 4 students for the further explanation how the ozone layer works and affects its depletion. I now welcome Abu Sir, Muhammad Aqib, Muhammad Ali and Abdullah for the presentation.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Asmari from Standard 4. Today I have prepared speech on ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion is a big environmental problem. The ozone layer protects us from sun's harmful rays, which can cause skin cancer and eye problems. Chemicals like CFC are damaging this layer, due to which the ozone layer gets thinner. Global warming and climate changing gets worse. It is our duty to protect us from this danger. Thank you.
Ozone layer depletion. This is the sun, this is the ultraviolet, This is a race. This is our ozone hole. This is our earth. This is our atmosphere. This is our ozone layer. Thank you.
Hope you'll have amazing knowledge about the environment. Yes? Are you all enjoying it? Alright, so now I call for stage standard 6, students from standard 5th.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Asad Ahmad from standard 5th. I am going to tell speech on effect of ozone layer. The depletion of ozone layer has harmful effect on environment and human body. Let us see effect of ozone layer depletion in human health. Damaged genetic material in the cells leads to more people suffering from cataracts, cause cancer, allergies and some other infectious disease. Thank you.
Have you seen this?
Have you seen this? So it's a very harmful effect on the human body. Look at the pictures. ये कैंसर की pictures है. The skin will destroy. Your body will suffer from this kind of the disease. You are not supposed to having any kind of the food. You are not supposed to do anything because of this kind of the disease. Look, they are very harmful. It will destroy our genetic material like DNA. Okay? I now welcome girls from standard 5th and 6th.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sheikh Fatima. I am from standard 5th. I am studying in Jamia Afghar School. As you know, we are getting here to celebrate International Ozone Layer Day celebration. In whole world, Ozone Day celebrate on 16th of September every year. This project model is done by me with the help of my friends. Our model demonstrates the ozone layer application provided using a globe representing the sun, a bulb representing a globe representing the earth, a bulb representing the sun, cards, plants, animals, cotton used to decorate and flood to effect. Thank you, Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Hashima from standard 5th. Material which we use to prepare this model is our UV lamp, sun radiation along with battery to operate this model.
First, you had seen the effect on the human health. Now we will see the effect on our environment. Look, you had seen the drought and the flood is occurring on the earth due to the effect of the ozone layer depletion. Have you seen there is a hole in our ozone layer? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So, look, there is a... When the sunlight is coming on the earth, it will destroy. It's a duplicating on our ozone layer. Here, the glaciers are the melting and the effects we can see that. Okay?
My name is Ansari Mahira from standard 6. The bulb is emitting the sunlight as visible UV rays, infrared rays, visible light, etc. When we release ozone layer depletion substance ODS like CFC, HCFC, fluorofluorocarbon, chloroform. Thank you.
So there is a ozone duplicating substance. The boys are showing you this kind of the human activity is destroying our ozone layer.
Thank you so much, girls. Now I request standard 6 boys to come and show.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Anas Ansari from Standard 6. I am here to deliver a speech on ozone layer depletion. This is the sun. This is UVA. This is UVB. And this is UVC. This is ozone layer and this is direction of UV rays. This is skin elements. This is disturbed plant life. This is destruction of marine. Ozone layer depletion is big environmental problem. This is our duty to protect ozone. We have to minimize the vehicles. We have to minimize the use of vehicles. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that lead to global warming, as well as ozone layer depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Thank you. Jazakallahu khairan.
Thank you everyone. Now I welcome Ms. Farhana, EVS teacher of standard 1st, 2nd and 3rd to deliver a short speech on ozone layer and how to protect it.
Good morning everyone. I am Farhana Sheikh, EVS teacher for class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Today I am going to present a speech on the World Ozone Layer Day. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. So World Ozone Day is celebrated annually on September 16 to raise awareness about the importance of the ozone layer and the actions needed to protect it. The ozone layer is our Earth's sunscreen. Let's not it fade away. Healing the ozone layer is healing our planet future. A world without ozone is like a home without a roof. Protect it for the sake for all life. Let's work together to ensure that the sky above remains a heaven for the next generation to come. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, this is our Earth and this is ozone layer, which is known as the shield for our Earth. The sun rays which is coming from the sun, known as UV rays, which is harmful for us, and the other gases which is known as HCF and CFS directly comes on the earth, but the ozone layer which is known as the protection for our earth, capturing all the UV rays, do not come to the earth. Day by day, the ozone layer gets damaged and having hole because of the human activities increasing day by day. By protecting our ozone layer, we have some steps to follow. आज हम भेजो आगे जाओ. For protecting our ozone layer, we have to follow some steps to pure our ozone layer. Grow more trees, reduce uses of HFC and CFC gases, which is very harmful for us. Support eco-friendly products and raise awareness to grow more trees. If we have followed these steps, our ozone layer will be good and good for us. Jazakallah.
The ozone layer. Ozone. 3 atoms of oxygen. Earth's umbrella. You are our protection from UV rays of the sun. But CFCs from trees and acids make a hole in you. The ozone hole, UV rays would catch inside like paper or water. Save the ozone layer. Thank you.
You can say. Now you are to give a short speech on the conclusion of the overall day.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I am Shiva Mehta from 3rd Standard, and I am here to give a conclusion about our today's program. So, as we all know, 16th September is celebrated as Preservation of Ozone Layer Day. So by spreading awareness and taking action, we can contribute to a healthier and sustainable planet. On this world ozone day, we commit preserving the future ozone layers for future generations. Together, we can ensure that the earth remains a safe and vibrant place for everyone. Jazakallah, thank you.
So, I request to everyone to take pledge with me. Repeat after me. Reduce our carbon footprint. Use eco-friendly products. Conserve energy and resources. Spread awareness about significant positive change. Okay, so we had took this place. Now we have to follow this. Now I am proud of my students. They prepare posters, slogans, and they have created showing their activities and the commitment to these causes. Together, let's strive to protect our ozone layer and preserve the beauty of wondering of our planet for the future generation. Thank you. Let's make the difference. Thank you, Jazakallahu khair. And we are celebrating the International Ozone Day celebration.
Thank you all for joining us today. Let's pledge to take care of our planet and protect the ozone layer. Together we ensure a brighter, healthier future. Have a great day ahead.